Morning everyone, Simon here again. Sunday the 2nd of February. This year is really kicking on. Want to show you today in our showground, we've got a Regal Hemsworth. It's a 2024. It's brand new, never been lived in. 40 by 13 foot, 2 bedroom. So it's on the market at 79,995. I want to show you this beauty. Look at this. There we go, straight into the dining, kitchen and prep area. This has got loads of space in it and is of a really good standard. So, nice separation between the spaces. And of course, in your kitchen, full integrated fridge and freezer, full cooking space. There's our microwave and our dining area, cloak, and our sink and more prep area. Going through into the lounge, nice space there, fitted unit for your television, already plumbed with your aerial sockets and power. Nice double door, this would suit a lovely decking area, either wraparound or front decking. Open those doors straight out onto your decking. We have pitches available, either on park at the moment or on our new development that is currently being built for you guys. Nice lounge, let's take you through. So in the price of this van for 2025 are your site fees. And those site fees include a number of benefits. Swimming every day, membership to the gym, full entertainment program. There we go, really spacious. Let's take you through into the bedrooms. So the first of the 2 bedrooms is a generous twin. Lots of space in there, there we go. Into our master bathroom. Let me show you this. There we go. WC, basin, and nice shower. And the real killer for this one is the master. So the master space, bags of room. There we are. Now, as you would expect in this year and spec of van, we have ensuite. So again, basin, WC, and shower in the ensuite. Let's take you around. There we are. Into the walk-in closet area. Again, a functional walk-in storage closet area. Loads of space here. So come and speak to me. I'm Simon. You can get me via TikTok. You can get me via Facebook. You can get me directly on my phone. Leave a message. Send me a direct message. This will not be on the market very long. 2024 Regal Hemsworth. 79,995. All fees included for this year. Sighting included. We'll put this on a pitch for you and you can start enjoying the beautiful Somerset countryside. The beach, the walks. There's so much going on down here this year under the new ownership. You know, just 1.3 million quid alone in entertainment for our venues this year. 07973 620 351. DM me, make an appointment, come and see me.